Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own stickers in Instagram using the cutout feature. So I'm just going to quickly take a picture, go and select the sticker tab here, and you're going to select the cutout section. You're then going to use an image that you want for the sticker. I'll just use this one. I'm just going to select it and it's going to create a sticker for me. It's going to remove the background like so. You can also select it manually, but I'm just going to select it automatically. Then I'm just going to select use sticker. You can also do this with videos as well. And here's my sticker. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. This also works with videos, just saying. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!